Hey guys, JTSpeeds here. I'm back with another one. We watching a video of a Dodge Challenger RT running from Arkansas State Police. Shout out to LRHN Cash for the videos, man. He always has the best videos for these chases and stuff like that. So this is definitely one to check out. Let's see what's going on. So the cop is basically like speeding. I wonder where the action starts. Okay, so the cop sees the Challenger. He's chasing it. Dodge Challenger is orange. Whoa. Loose and wiggled there. Bang. And better him.
Put your hands up! Stop! No! No! Put your hands up!
No. Put your hands up.
Put your other hand up! Put your other hand up!
Damn.
Driver, put your other hand up! If you take off, hey, crawl out of the window! Yeah, hey! Driver!
Bro screaming. What the heck is going on? Okay. That was a chase, guys. I mean, y'all let me know if this was W or L, but yeah, okay. I don't know. This video was it was cool, I guess, guys. Let me know down in the comments what you want me to react to. You could probably send it to my Instagram, send it to me on Snapchat or something. Yeah, I'll react to whatever on here. That's pretty much car related. So yeah, it's JTSpeeds and I'm out. Peace. Wait, couple more seconds. Wait, couple more seconds. Alright, peace. I'm out.
I cannot go back and forth, cause you know that my switch, you don't tussle. I switch on my bitch, I got others. You got the ball and you fall.